rugged and pine-covered ridge, the Eagle's Nest Ranch truly lives up to its name. Offering unparalleled views and a secluded, serene lifestyle, this stunning Wyoming estate is the jewel of the valley and provides for a peaceful and very private retreat at the end of the road. The ranch is an outdoor enthusiast playground made up of 108 deeded acres of varied rolling and rugged terrain with grass meadows, pine trees, and rock outcroppings, which all provide for an excellent wildlife habitat. The property is naturally sheltered, ensuring a protective, tranquil environment with majestic views and stunning landscapes. You can spend your days hiking, hunting, and viewing elk, antelope, deer, and moose, along with a host of other neighborhood critters. For even more adventures, Kirk Gowdy State Park, including Granite and Crystal Lakes, are just minutes away, offering additional opportunities for fishing, boating, biking, and horsebacking trails. The beautifully crafted 3-bedroom and 3-bathroom luxury log home is built with hand-hewn and scribed logs with Norwegian saddle notch construction made from northern white pines. The home spans a generous 3,604 square feet on the main level with a 272 square foot loft and an unfinished walkout basement. Every window of this custom log home frames a breathtaking vista, inviting abundant natural light indoors. The centerpiece of the great room is a custom wood-burning fireplace with a rock face, large mantel, and natural stone hearth that make for perfect, cozy evenings. Rustic charm blends with high-end amenities where comfort is paramount. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's delight, boasting a 6-burner, 2-oven gas stove with water pot filler, built-in refrigerator, granite countertops, maple cabinets with custom hardware and lighting. The spacious master bedroom offers a sitting area, loft, and expansive walk-in closet with built-in dressers and shelving. The spa-like master bathroom includes an open shower with double vanities and offers a magnificent oversized soaking tub and complementing accents. The 3 lofts are designed with windows for southern exposure, maximizing natural light. The unfinished walkout basement presents a partially framed opportunity for 2 additional bedrooms, wet bar area, bathroom, and storage, all waiting for a custom finish. This exceptional property offers a magnificent log home that is waiting for some finishing touches to complete the ultimate Wyoming retreat. For more information and a private qualified showing, please call Matt Munford at 307-640-3756.